Man, my own business. All right, so this is another daily struggles of being a content creator, so that's why I'm not gonna redo that line. We're in Ottawa today.
Well, wait.
This week.
Why you got an earring missing?
See, I don't understand why people don't mind their business, bro. Like, is this so easy to just walk straight and mind your business, bro? Like, just get off my. All right, chat. So today we're in Ottawa for the weekend because I'm going to the colleges, spend time with some friends and family. About to say hi to my family as well because my family's still in Ottawa. Yo, Melly, make sure you don't catch the my feet touching the floor, all right? Don't catch that. Just make sure like it's like all the way up to here. I appreciate it. All right, so basically, if you woke up this morning, comment down below, thankful, more on the way, and follow for more. You can cut the camera. All right, just cut the camera, bro. Just cut it, bro. I'm hot, nigga.